Hey guys, real quick before the video starts, I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about some potential savings that I have for you. If you are into the CX or GL series bikes, you might be familiar with Rejuve Motorcycles. So they've reached out to me and they've given me a code to extend to you guys for 10% off of any of their products. They make exhaust systems, some foot pegs, they make a lot of things, a full monoshock conversion kit, so you can do like a bolt-on monoshock for your CX500, and they are a YSS suspension dealer. So anyway, I'm going to put the code in the description, and you guys follow that. Either follow the link, enter the code, save you 10%, and it's a win-win-win for everybody. So anyway, back to the video. Alright, so we're reassembling the GL650 this week. I want to get it to a roller, so that means that everything is, of course, getting painted and detailed. Now, we have a lot of the components here painted, but, up next, we're going to start getting into the really small things, like cleaning up brake arms and axles and nuts and bolts and just trying to make them look presentable. Coat what we can, and, we're not going to polish really anything on this bike, but just trying to keep everything, nice and tidy and clean and before it goes back on the bike. So this is a really time-consuming stuff. So going to be painting a few more bits, and then we should have everything we need to get it to a roller. So it's going to start taking shape. Alright, so last piece of the puzzle today, I'm going to go ahead and shoot the fork lowers and then the kickstand and then the brake rod. Just hit those with some clear. So I went ahead and put a Scotch-Brite pad, like just a vertical grain in this thing. Kind of took it down to like one bare color. And we're just going to clear over that. And it's going to make sense later. But I think it's going to add a cool bit of contrast to the tank, so or the tank and the suspension, the whole bike. So anyway, I'm going to continue getting this thing going, and we'll get it painted. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. I'm getting pretty excited about this thing. Obviously you see that something has taken shape under here. So, quick teaser. Wham! Okay, that's all you get. So, can't wait for the next video. We're going to get the chassis together, showcase the tires I'm putting on this thing, and then try to showcase the wheel color a little bit more. I know in this video it really didn't capture it, but it's a dark oil or metallic oil rub bronze paint that I put on those wheels. Looks killer, really understated, and just a cool little touch instead of say satin black or something like that, which we can do and which would look good. So yeah, today for me, I'm gonna go ahead and get those forks assembled and get this thing back to a full roller, and then you guys will see this in the next video. And if this is the first time checking out this video or checking out this channel, check out the full build thread on this or the other bikes I have going. There's a lot of content on here. And if you haven't already, definitely subscribe. That really helps me out and I really appreciate it. So anyway, if you want to take it a step further, you can head over to my website. I have hats, hoodies, t-shirts, stickers available for purchase, and any order is greatly appreciated. So yeah, just going to keep cranking out content, and we're going to get into the home stretch on this thing. It's going to be awesome. So anyway, I'm going to end it off here. And I appreciate you guys watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.